In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user from a Slack channel. Whether you're managing a workspace or just need to streamline your team's communication, knowing how to effectively manage your channels is essential. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by launching the Slack desktop application or opening Slack in your browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to log in to the specific workspace where the channel in question resides. Ensure you're accessing the correct workspace, as that's where you'll make the necessary changes. Next, we'll navigate to the appropriate channel. On the left, you'll see Slack's sidebar where all the channels you're a part of are listed. Scroll through and click on the channel from which you want to remove a user. It's important to mention here that you should have the appropriate permissions to make these changes. That generally means being a workspace owner, admin, or channel admin. Without these permissions, you unfortunately won't be able to remove someone from the channel. Once you're in the channel, we need to open the channel members list. You'll do this by clicking on the name of the channel, which you'll find at the top of your screen. A drop-down will appear, and from there you should see an option labeled View Members or simply Members. Click on this option. Now you're looking at the list of channel members. Here you should locate the user you intend to remove. Once you find them, look to the right of their name for three dots, often referred to as the More Actions menu. Click these three dots and you'll see an option that says Remove from Channel or something similar. Go ahead and select that option. You'll likely see a pop-up asking you to confirm your decision to remove this user. Confirm the action, and with that, the user will no longer have access to or receive messages from this channel. It's a straightforward process, but it's always good to double check that you've selected the right user before confirming. And there you have it. The user has been removed from the channel, and as mentioned, they won't be receiving any more messages from this particular channel. Remember, managing channel membership is a crucial part of maintaining effective communication within your team. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy Slack tutorials and tips.